How to use split screen on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to use split screen on Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just go with a window. Once you're on the window, now here on the upper side on the tab, the free space on the tab, you just need to simply drag and take it to the left or to the right. So I'll be choosing right. Once you've done that, you'll get this kind of interface. So it has been taken to the right. And now on the left side, you will have the existing tabs on your PC or your laptop. You can simply choose any tab. And here on the left side, you will have the existing tabs on your computer. You can simply choose any tab so that you can add that to the left side. And in this way, you'll be able to split your screen. You can use two screens. But if you want the keyboard shortcuts, you'll have the handy keyboard shortcuts. So what you need to do is just go with your browser. And once you open up your browser, what you need to do is just press Windows and right arrow button at the same time, and you'll get this kind of interface, and just select the left screen. So that's it. That's how you can split your screen on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.